अस्सलाम व्यूअर्स, IEEE एक्सपो लाहौर में मौजूद हैं और इस टाइम पे हम बिजनेस इंटरनेशनल के स्टॉल पे हैं। आदिल शेर साहब हमारे साथ हैं, इनसे बात करेंगे। अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम।
सर, हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए थोड़ा सा बिजनेस इंटरनेशनल का इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिएगा।
जी, सबसे पहले मैं आपको अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे दूं। आई एम माई सेल्फ इज़ आदिल शेर। आई हैव बीन सर्विंग दिस इंडस्ट्री फॉर 15 ईयर्स नाउ। इससे पहले मैं कंपनी थी जुबली कॉर्पोरेशन, वहाँ पे कुछ अर्सा रहा हूँ। देन आई जॉइन फिनिक्स कॉन्टैक्ट इनफैक्ट फॉर 3 to 4 years, एंड नाउ आई एम सर्विंग इन बिजनेस इंटरनेशनल एज जनरल सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग मैनेजर. So with that wide experience, I am now promoting Phoenix Contact in this organization and working for the betterment of the society and for our industrial clients.
ठीक हो गया। अच्छा सर, अभी तक एक्सपो का कैसे एक्सपीरियंस चल रहा है आपका?
Well, this is first time IEEE participated in Lahore, Expo Center Lahore, and to be honest, obviously IEEE people know IEEE, industry know IEEE. The response is really good, and especially the relevant people to the industry, they are coming. So it's a really good experience that we have in this by participating in this exhibition, alhamdulillah. And hopefully we will get, convert this in our own business and expand our business, inshallah.
सर, आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हैं फिनिक्स कॉन्टैक्ट के। तो फिनिक्स कॉन्टैक्ट के बारे में थोड़ा सा हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताएं कि क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स हैं आपके पास और क्या यूनिक क्या है आपकी प्रोडक्ट?
See, Phoenix Contact is a German brand, and it's almost 100 years old company now, and it's dealing in automation control and switchgear components, switchgear accessories components, you may say. So they have a very wide range of components that are being used in the industry, and very quality components, because it's a German company. You can understand the product is very high quality. So to sell this product, you need very high end expertise to understand this product, and to to educate the industry to sell this product. So alhamdulillah, in Business International we have these expertise, and we are offering these solutions to different system integrators in Pakistan, and we are working in oil and gas sector, you name it, telecom sector, petrochemical, textile sector. So all the major industries in Pakistan, you will find Phoenix Contact installation based, and Business International is working in this industry and serving this industry with Phoenix Contact for almost now a decade. So we have that experience to serve the country.
सो सर, आपको आगे मार्केट पोटेंशियल कैसा लग रहा है पाकिस्तान का, और आप फर्दर एक्सपेंशन के लिए, बिजनेस एक्सपेंशन के लिए क्या स्ट्रेटजी सोच रहे हैं?
See, market potential is always there in Pakistan, especially with the growing population we have. So as you know that the government is now looking to to convert into export industry, to support the export industry, and to promote export in Pakistan. So in that context, we have very good opportunities coming up in the next years, in the coming years, and we expect that we will get good business in coming years, especially in telecom. You see 5G inauguration recently being done by the government, so we are expecting good business from that sector, from telecom sector. And also the textile sector is there, the petrochemical sector is there, and they are all expanding. So we're expecting good business from the industry. So I will say to you that to sell this product, you need a good understanding of this product, and the expertise, the level of expertise that the German company wants. So in Business International you will find this, because as I am leading this their sales and marketing, and we have our technical staff to offer clients a really good solution that we have in Phoenix Contact to our customers.
Thank you so much for talking to us, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.